He thought he had the final say, tried to mold me out of clay. Soft words with a sharpened edge, promises whispered on a ledge. Told me I'd fall if I let go, but I was never his to own. He tried to harness every spark to keep me small, to keep me dark. But even shadows need the sun to grow. You see, love's not meant to be tamed, not built in silence, not bowed in shame. What he thought would break me made me whole. I found my voice, I found my soul, and in your arms I finally see love's not a cage, its wings set free. He played control like it was grace, disguised the leash in silk and lace. Thought if he dimmed the fire in me, I'd never dream, I'd never leave.